Hello everyone. Today we will explore how the calculus forms the backbones of machine learning. Let's start with introduction. Calculus is not just abstract math. It's the language machines use to learn. Optimization, gradients, differentiation, and integration are the tools that allow us to train models, minimize errors, and make predictions. Without calculus, algorithms like backpropagation simply would not exist. Here we see a smooth curve with tangent lines. This represents derivatives. The slope of the tangent tells us how fast a function is changing. In machine learning, the slope is crucial. It guides us in adjusting parameters to improve performance. Now look at the cost function surface with the ball rolling downhill. This is gradient descent in action. Imagine the ball as our model's parameters. Each step downhill, guided by the gradient, brings us closer to the minimum, the point where our model performs best. Moving on, the neural network diagram with gradient flow shows how errors travel backward. This process, called backpropagation, uses derivatives to update weights layer by layer. It's calculus that makes this possible, ensuring the network learns from mistakes. The weight update equation W nu equal W volt minus eta del L del W captures the essence of learning. Each weight is nudged in the right direction, scaled by the learning rate to reduce loss. Finally, the summary ties it all together. Calculus drives optimization, enables learning, and shapes prediction. It's the invisible engine behind every machine learning breakthrough. So we close here remembering this. Mastering calculus means mastering how machines learn. It's the bridge between mathematics and intelligence, the key to unlocking the full potential of machine learning. Thank you for joining me on this journey into calculus for machine learning. Your support, your views, and your curiosity inspire me to keep creating and sharing knowledge. Calculus may seem abstract, but together we have seen how it powers optimization, backpropagation, and prediction in machine learning. I am grateful for your time and engagement. It means the world. Stay tuned for more lessons and remember, mastering calculus is mastering how machines learn. Thank you.